What's up everyone, welcome to Zealplex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and get some subscribers from individual creator who are actually making videos on their channel. So what happens is you have to contact them and ask for the help that if they go and mention your channel name in their videos, you might get some subscribers. That is also said as if you meet the person and if you appear in their videos, and you can go and shout out to your channel that I make also YouTube videos, I make videos related to like technology, or I make videos related to vlogs, you might get like a shout out from their channels and you will get some subscribers. Alright, so how we can go and contact that individual? If you know like meeting in person, that's a good thing. If you are not meeting in some person, how you can go and contact that one? So on YouTube channel, if you go on about page, in the bottom you have for business enquiry, so click on your email address and there you have to go and mention your business inquiry email address. Most of the people who actually make YouTube videos will definitely have their business inquiry in their details. I have also kept it in my description because if the person is not clicking on this one, because on the mobile version this details is not appearing, it is only available on desktop version. So I have added my email address in my description as well, so you can go and contact that individual person via this email. Just go and make someone like go and talk with them, ask for their phone number if they are comfortable to get in contact with you, and also send your channel name URL so they might know that whom they are going to go and talk to. So that's a very good and useful way to go and contact and get a shout out. This is the slow process, but eventually it is going to go and benefit to you on your future videos and all. So whenever you go and get a shout out, don't stop, like, because whenever new people come on your channel they want some content, so try to go and improve your content after you have got a shout out, and that might boost your channel and you might get some views, you might get some traffic from that individual. Same way, if the person asks you that yes I will shout out your channel name, you shout out my channel name, you can do that one as well. If the person don't have the problem that you're taking their video and uploading, that's good to go. That's a way you can go and get some subscribers. Share your subscriber with others, others will share your subscriber to them, and that's how you can grow, by helping each and another. So that's a very useful thing you need to know. And that's about it for this video. If you want to go get in contact with me, you have my email address now, so you can contact me. Alright, so that's about it for this video. I hope you learned something new and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.